Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to share your location to your family member or a friend. So in this I will guide you on the easiest and step by step process to share your location on Lyft. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your Lyft application on mobile device and make sure that you will be logged in that. So inside that you can see at the top and left side one menu icon is there, so tap on that. So inside that you can see one setting option is there, so click on that. Now you will get this type of page. Inside that you can see here one safety tool option is there, so tap on that. And here you can see here share your location option is there, so again tap on that. So now you can see here one add option is there, so tap on that add option. So inside that you will be getting your family members number or your friends, so you can add from here. After adding that number, while you will be online for this application for going ride and all, so you can share location to them. So in this way you can share your location to your family member or your friend. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.